Chapter 10. Designing Website Using Dreamweaver. You will learn about Introduction to Dreamweaver, Features of Dreamweaver, Starting Dreamweaver, Dreamweaver Workspace, Overview of Document Window, Creating a new site, Adding HTML page to a site, Inserting objects in HTML page, Preview your website. Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a website building software which was first developed by Macromedia and then it was acquired by Adobe in 2005. The software is now a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. It means that software is not freely downloadable. You need to purchase this software in order to use this. In simple language, Dreamweaver is a software that helps you in building, designing and publishing websites. Using this application, you can build your website either through the visual editor or via code. You can even use the two together to see how each affects the other. It also supports a wide variety of languages such as HTML, HTML5, CSS, PHP, JavaScript and jQuery, which you can use to build any type of website. Features of Dreamweaver. Following are the main features of Dreamweaver. 1. Easy to use visual interface. The main feature of Dreamweaver is the visual interface editor. It provides you the facility of both dragging and dropping elements and even selecting elements with the help of mouse. When you are doing this, Dreamweaver will automatically create the necessary code for you and this makes your work easy. 2. Built-in code editor. Besides the visual editor, you can also use code editor to build your website or make changes to your website's existing design. The code editor is beginner-friendly and allows the beginner to see how the code and design interacts on placing different elements to your website. It also contains a feature called code completion, which will make suggestions for code which you are writing. A code collapse feature is also available which will compress part of your code when you are not currently editing so that you can find other things quickly. 3. Part of the Creative Cloud site. Another important feature of Dreamweaver is that it has now become a part of Adobe Cloud series. Starting Dreamweaver for the first time. In this chapter, we are using Dreamweaver CC 2019. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, following are the steps to open Dreamweaver. 1. Type Dreamweaver in the search box of taskbar. A related list of applications will appear. 2. Select Dreamweaver and the application will get open up with the screen that looks like given below. 3. Select the option that says No, I am new and it takes you to the next screen. 4. On the next screen, you will be asked to choose option best suited to your workflow. Select Standard Workspace option as you are using Dreamweaver for the first time. 5. Next, select the color scheme for your editor of your choice. 6. Lastly, it will ask you to start your application with a sample site, a new site or watch some tutorials. Select Start with a new or existing folder option. It will then open the Dreamweaver Workspace. Dreamweaver Workspace. The Dreamweaver Workspace contains the toolbar, panels, property inspector which helps you in designing your web pages. You can customize the general appearance of the workspace according to your requirement. Following are the various components of Dreamweaver Workspace. 1. Application bar. It is present at the top of the application window and contains a workspace switcher, menus and other application controls. 2. Document toolbar. It contains buttons that provide options for different views of the document window such as Design View, Live View and Code View. 3. Document window. It displays the current document on which you are working. 4. Workspace switcher. It helps you in changing the workspace from standard to developer and vice versa. 5. Panels. Various panels such as Insert Panel, CSS Designer Panel, Files Panel are available which help you in monitoring and modifying your work. 6. Code View. It is a coding environment where you can write and edit HTML, JavaScript and any other kind of code. 7. Property Inspector. It helps in viewing and changing a variety of properties for the selected object or text. 8. Toolbar. It is present on the left side of the application window and contains view-specific buttons. 9. Live View. It displays a realistic representation of how your document will look like in a browser. 10. Tag Selector. It displays the hierarchy of tags surrounding the current selection and it is present on the status bar. 11. Status Bar. It is present at the bottom of the document window and it provides additional information about the document you are creating. It contains several options like Tag Selector, Output Panel, and Line and Column Number. Note: 2 important panels are present in Workspace, that is Insert Panel, which contains buttons for inserting various types of objects such as images, tables, etc. and Files Panel lets you manage your files and folders. Document Window Overview. The document window displays the current document. As you know, you can use Document Toolbar to switch between views of the document. Besides this, you can also use the view options in the View menu. Following are several views of a document. Code View. You have learnt about this. Design View. It is a design environment for visual page layout, visual editing, and rapid application development. Split View. It is a split version of 2 document window views. It can be of either Code Design, Code Live, or Code. Live View. It displays a realistic representation of how your document will look like in a browser, and you can interact with document exactly as you would do in a browser. Creating a new site. Before starting making HTML pages in Dreamweaver, it is first necessary to create a new site as it helps you in uploading your website to the remote server. A site organizes all the documents on your local computer associated with your website and lets you track and maintain links, manage files, etc. Following are the steps to create a new site. 1. Start Dreamweaver and select Site option. A drop-down menu appears. Select New Site from it. It opens a Site Setup dialog box. 2. In the dialog box, type the name in the Site Name field to give name to your site. Also select a folder to save your site on your computer by clicking on folder icon next to the local site folder. Click on Save button. 3. You can now see the newly created site in the Files panel as shown in figure. All files, folders created inside the site can be easily accessed from here. Managing website files and folders. It would be better to first create folders before adding any data to your website as it helps to manage data properly. Here we are adding following 2 folders. 1. HTML. It stores all web pages of the particular website. 2. Images. It stores all images related to the particular website. Following are the steps to create a folder. 1. Do a right-click on the site folder under Files panel. A menu appears. Select New Folder option. 2. It will create a new folder inside the site. Enter the name of folder and press Enter. 3. Similarly, create other folder also and you can access them from Files panel only. Brain Doors. An HTML page can also be inserted by right-clicking on the site folder and select New. Adding an HTML page to your website. Following are the steps to add an HTML page to your website. 1. Click on File menu from the application bar. Select New from the main menu. 2. It will open a new document dialog box asking you the title of HTML file, but make sure that you have selected document type as HTML from the column on the left. 3. Doc type must be selected as HTML5 and click on Create button. Dreamweaver creates a blank HTML page in the document window. 4. You can save your file by selecting File, go to Save option or pressing Ctrl+S. It will open the Save As dialog box. 5. In the Save As dialog box, type the name of the file and select the location. Select HTML folder which you have created previously to store HTML pages. Click on Save button. 6. Now, your HTML page will get listed in Files panel under the HTML folder, and you can now design your page using any view. Inserting objects in a HTML page. The Insert panel contains buttons for creating and inserting objects such as tables, images, and links. The Insert panel is organized in various categories such as HTML, form, templates, etc. HTML helps you to create and insert the most commonly used HTML objects like images, tables, etc. Form helps in inserting form elements such as password, text box, etc. Inserting or creating hyperlinks. Following are the steps to add hyperlink in your web page. 1. Place your cursor on the code window inside the body tag or in design window where you want to create a hyperlink on your web page. Note: you can also drag and drop an object in design window and coding will appear automatically. 2. Now click on Insert panel and select HTML in category drop-down list. Select the hyperlink option from the menu. 3. It will open the hyperlink window. In the text field, write the text which you want to display on the web page. In the link field, specify the link of the page which is to be opened on clicking the hyperlink. In the target field, write _self if you want to open the link in same window, otherwise _blank to open link in new window. 4. After completing all details, press OK and a hyperlink will be added in your HTML document. Inserting table. Following are the steps to insert a table. 1. Place your cursor on the code window or design window where you want to insert the table on your web page. 2. Now, click on Insert panel and select HTML. From it, select the table option. 3. It will open the table window. Enter the number of rows, columns, table width, thickness of border, cell padding, cell spacing and caption for the table as per your choice. Click on OK. 4. It will then insert a table in your web page. Type the text in the cells of table directly in the design window. 5. Various other options used to modify a table such as merge cells, split cells, delete or insert rows or columns are available on doing right-click on the table in design view. Inserting images. A website makes use of many images. It's a good practice of saving all images used in a particular website in a specific folder. Therefore, we have already created a folder named Images for our website. So, first save your image in that folder and then follow the below steps to insert image on your HTML web page. 1. Place your cursor on the code window or design window where you want to insert the image. 2. Now, click on Insert panel and select Image from the HTML category. 3. The window named Select Image Source will appear on the screen. 4. Select the image from the Images folder and click OK. 5. The selected image will get inserted in your web page. Note: similarly, you can insert paragraphs, heading, ordered and unordered list item, etc. from HTML, and you can also insert form elements like text box, password, submit button, etc. from the form category inside Insert panel. Preview your site. Dreamweaver contains a very useful built-in preview feature. This will let you see what your site looks like across a variety of web browsers and mobile devices. To preview the current version of your site, follow the below steps. 1. Click on the Preview button in the bottom right corner on status bar of the window. 2. Then you can choose the browser in which you would like to preview your website in Preview in Browser option. You can also see how your site looks like on your mobile phone by taking a picture of the QR code, but make sure your phone is connected to your laptop. Only then this option will be available in Preview on Device option. Brain dose. Press F12 directly from your keyboard to preview your website. Quick recap. Dreamweaver is a website building software which was first developed by Macromedia and then it was acquired by Adobe in 2005. CodeView is a coding environment where you can write and edit HTML code. LiveView displays a realistic representation of how your document will look like in a browser. SplitView is a split version of two document windows views. Design View is a designing environment for visual page layout. Insert Panel contains buttons for creating and inserting objects in HTML page. Dreamweaver provides two options for previewing your website: Preview in Browser and Preview on Device.